how to turn off auto brightness permanently. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can turn off your auto brightness permanently. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, you will need to find adaptive or auto brightness on your display settings. So for that, you'll first need to locate your settings app, then tap on the app icon, and your settings app should open up. From here, locate the display setting. After you found it, tap on it and open it up. Then right there you'll find an option that says adaptive brightness or auto brightness, or also auto adjust brightness. So basically if you see any options such as those, simply toggle the button off. Doing that, now your automatic brightness is turned off, and it's that simple. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.